Welcome back. In this video, we'll explore career opportunities and growth in data analysis. Data analysis skills are in high demand across industries, offering diverse career paths and promising futures. Let's look at some exciting roles you can pursue. First, let's talk about business analysts. Business analysts use data to help organizations make informed decisions. They analyze business processes, identify trends, and provide actionable insights to improve efficiency and profitability. This role is crucial for strategic planning and operational excellence. Data scientists are at the forefront of data analysis, using advanced algorithms and machine learning models to extract insights from complex data sets. They develop predictive models, conduct deep statistical analyses, and create data-driven solutions to solve challenging problems. This role is highly technical and in great demand. Financial analysts use data to evaluate investment opportunities, forecast economic trends, and assess financial risks. They work in banks, investment firms, and corporations, providing critical insights that guide financial decision-making and strategy. Marketing analysts leverage data to understand consumer behavior, measure campaign effectiveness, and optimize marketing strategies. By analyzing customer data, they help businesses tailor their marketing efforts, increase engagement, and ultimately drive sales growth. In the healthcare sector, healthcare data analysts play a vital role in improving patient care and operational efficiency. They analyze patient data, monitor healthcare trends, and support clinical decision-making. This role is critical for enhancing healthcare outcomes and managing costs. Data engineers are responsible for building and maintaining the infrastructure that allows for efficient data collection, storage, and processing. They ensure that data pipelines are robust, scalable, and secure, enabling data analysts and scientists to work effectively. The demand for data analysis skills continues to grow, driven by the increasing importance of data in decision-making. Emerging technologies like AI and machine learning, the expansion of IoT, and the emphasis on data-driven strategies are fueling this growth. Now is a great time to pursue a career in data analysis with opportunities expanding across various sectors. Stay tuned for our final video in this series where we'll recap everything we've learned and discuss next steps for your data analysis journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.